Okay, well, this is an interesting thought. This is a follow-up to what I just video I just made. I'm gonna dump the sump on this bike. It's been sitting here for weeks. Hasn't been run on this new carburetor, so I don't know when the last time it ran was. It has one of these inline anti-drain down valves. So theoretically, when I dump this sump, it shouldn't have any more than 6 to 8 ounces, which I'm beginning to believe is the normal amount of oil in an 850 Norton sump. So this is just another opportunity to measure the sump when I dump the sump. So that's what I'm going to do now, and I'll let you watch. All right, let's dump the sump. Well, one thing's for sure, it's beautifully clean oil. It is just sparkling clean. I'd say it's very possible that it's so fresh that the engine has not been run on it. Do the human zoom. All right, so let's measure it. It's still draining a bit, so I'll be back shortly. All right, while that sump continues to dribble, I'm going to take this filter apart and check it out. I'm sure it's going to be really, really clean. seems really nice. A little bit of something there, that little bit of brown, black, but screen is clean, oil's clean. I once took a sump plug out, and this was gone, as was this. It was just like this in the sump, and so I stuck my finger up inside, sort of give it a little exam, shall we say, aka the doctor. I got my finger way up inside, and I found both pieces, and boy, they were just hammered into little nasty pieces of metal. It's amazing how strong these lower ends are on these bikes. That crank just beat it to death. So you got to make sure that when you put it together, make sure that this thing is nicely secured under the spring. Spring's fully engaged. All right, so I'm going to put this back in, and I'm going to measure the oil. Okay, well, I'm back. We got called away, and now I'm back here. Let's do a bad dad joke, and then we'll measure that oil that I just took out of this bike. All right. Today is, that was yesterday, Friday, April 10. And bad dad joke of the day. Why do birds fly south for the winter? Okay, because it's too far to walk. Okay, fine. That one's really bad. All right. Let's measure this oil and find out what we got out of this 850 sump.
How much came out of this?
Don't know yet.
Oh, okay.
But I'll know in about 30 seconds.
All right.
Okay. So this is interesting. This is more than I expected. This is fluid ounces. About 14 fluid ounces. Isn't that something? And this is a 73, I think.
Uh-huh.
Maybe 74. I don't know. It's a 74 Norton. Now that's more than I expected. I would expect about 6 to 8.
And how many is it?
14.
Jesus.
That's interesting, isn't it? I just
Yes, it is.
these measurements are all over the place. This whole time I've been doing this measuring. I'm going to keep measuring just to keep
That's a good idea.
see what comes out of these different bikes.
Yeah.
And this is a bike that has a inline anti-drain down valve. So it's seeping right past that valve. If it's seeping, it's seeping right past that
That's
valve.
the valve.
Okay, interesting. Interesting. All right. So what we're going to do now? Let's pull the carb off, and I'll have you start taking the jets out
Okay.
while I go back into my office and get all the specifications I have on jetting amyls, and I know the optimum jet setup,
Okay.
and we'll see if this guy has the optimum jet setup. Okay. Now in the meantime, it's got good snap. Yeah, it's got good snap, and it's got some play up at the top. So I'm happy. Okay, so I will be back in just a little while.
All right, you got